Freelancing Stories. Abhishek Gupta, a full-time content and copywriter. Average earning per day rupees 3,000. His challenge was that he started content writing in his college. He came to know that many writers in India are not paid well. But he knew it could not be the case everywhere. So he started looking for clients from different countries. In India, when clients are willing to pay you anywhere between 80 paise per word to 2 rupees per word, foreign clients agree to pay you rupees 5 to rupees 10 per word easily. His achievement is that he earned rupees 45,000 in 12 days, even after taking 4 days, both the weekends off. Sam, full-time web developer. Average earning per day rupees 18,000. His challenge was dealing with issues across the wide array of languages, frameworks and technologies that make up the internet, and was having one of the major challenges: having to scale the learning curve again and again for each new area. Doing that has allowed him to accumulate a broad sense of knowledge, but it's also caused him to spread himself too thin at times. His achievement is, since starting freelancing a few months ago, he has landed 2 new website projects. Not only he was able to charge more, but designed the projects to solve specific business-related problems. Once completed, both projects should result in significant returns on clients' investment. A win-win for him and his clients. Harsha Jain, digital marketing. Average earning per day rupees 14,000. The hardest moment for Harsha was to go against the grain and do what she wanted. Others were questioning what she was doing and thought she was crazy. Everyone would give her their opinion whether she wanted it or not. The toughest part was when close family members were questioning her too. This really made her question whether she was doing the right thing. But she is so glad that she never listened to them. Her achievement is that the biggest success was landing a large client that wasn't in the local area and who was much larger than she had worked with before. Abhay, business consultant. Average earning per month rupees 5 lakhs. His challenge was that the hardest moment had to be the time that he feared his company would not make it, simply because he was not making enough money to keep it going. There have been times he felt like giving up, but since signing up for the freelancing and meeting with his clients, he was confident that one day he will achieve his goals. His achievement is that recently he pitched and sold his first road mapping session for a marketing project and quadrupled his hourly rates. Rahul, tax consultant. Average earning per month rupees 1.2 lakhs. His challenge was that he never joined any job after completing his master's in business administration. He always wanted to work independently, and he was living his dreams when his peers were joining reputed companies. He started working at rupees 375 per work through a freelancing site and grew his client to rupees 3,000 per work now, which is more than the salary of major companies in India with 8 years of experience. His achievement was he has 800 clients till now, from an individual to big companies. How did they succeed? Searched freelance platforms, applied on right jobs of their skills, learned writing professional proposals, learned new trends, technologies and grew their skills, find high-paying clients, gained experience, and regularly work on their profile.